done. Who's having fun? Who's having fun?
Oh, that's not you. Hi.
Ayan, lab, sakto. Yan fam, so habang nasa mini roller coaster kami, may nakita kaming train ride dito. So we're going there. Ayan, Rocky Mountain Rail. Let's go, let's go. Nandito na kami fam, we're going! So yan, syempre napakabilis na ito fam. It's like 0.0555 kilometers per hour. So enjoy lang namin tong train ride fam, okay? Ito yung mga last kiddie activities namin this summer. Next kasi nito is nandito na sina mommy and daddy and my sister. So adult bakasyon na naman ang gagawin natin.
And pa, meron ditong super cute na parang pang toddler talaga. Ayan o. Pang baby. So, okay din siya. Pag may small baby kayong kasama, meron pa rin mga rides din naman dito. So, it's parang all ages talaga siya. Yeah, so we're going to the movie house na mula. 3:15 yung start, so 3 PM na. Mag-wait na lang tayo in line. Gusto namin sumakay doon, pero mamaya na lang siguro. Ayan pa, meron na naman. So, hi there. Yep.
Just let you know that there is no food or drink besides water permitted past here. If you have to have anything, just leave it tucked away to the show. You can bring the wagon right inside the building with you. Yes.
Thank you.
Hello there.
Ayan. It's a 3D Cinemagic. Let's see kung anong movie ang meron sila. Ayan. It's what, Daddy? It's a nature dog. Let's see. At syempre, meron tayong 3D glasses dito. Ayan. May wagon parking here. Let's go, kids! Yay!
3D glasses. It's 3D glasses, mama.
There we go. Yeah, we're ready.
Does it look near to you? Does it look near to you?
Why does it?
No, you need to wear your no. Ayan, Pam, and then na. Ang ganda nung
Yeah, ganda,
3D
ganda.
vortex
Kami
sulit.
parang ako yung nag-enjoy eh.
Ang ganda nung pang bata na action, pero entertaining talaga siya.
13 minutes lang, 14 minutes, pero...
Parang ang bilis no?
Yeah,
kung 14
tuwa
na.
ako eh.
Nasaan sila, kuya?
Ayan.
Ayan. Let's go! Ayan, papunta na kami sa isa pang ride. Siguro last na namin to kasi 3:30 na. Most yung mga ride is magka-close ng 4 kasi nga siguro sa pila din. Kasi close na ang Callaway ng 5 p.m. today. Come on, baby! Ayan pa, mag-wait lang kami dito. Magpipicture naman si Lian kay Peter Pan at Tinkerbell. Alright! 1, 2, 3.
Oh, bumili si Mommy. Ayan, bumili si Mommy ng ice cream.
Hold.
Right. Okay. Need to hold it properly, kuya.
Sa vanilla siya.
Vanilla. And then, ano tong kay Lian? Bubblegum.
Bubblegum.
Ooh. No. Okay. Alright. Is that yum yum? And the Callaway Park Parade. There you go. Zoom in natin ng konti. Hello. Oh, wow. Monster power. Ooh. Frankie.
It's the fight for the biscuit. The time's here.
What? Candy's here.
Hello, my friend.
All right. Yeah. Let's go. Yep, don't push any buttons. Okay, we're done. Thank you. What are you going to say? What are you going to say? Thank you.
I want you guys to let them up across your buckles over your head and over one of your arms, and then you're going to see a big red button at your foot. That is the button to go.
There's my Kuya. Are you ready? Kuya, you need to put on the seatbelt. Whoa! Go, Kuya! Dayman, say hi to Daddy! Dayman, say hi to Daddy! Yay! Good job! Thank you, thank you. Alright, good job. Let's go.
Kuya, choose the...
Green one.
No, the blue one.
Green one.
We will be in pink one. Go, Lian. Yep, go. Yep, go. Ayan.
We will not be winning.
We will be in the egg.
Yeah, we will be in.
Yeah. And we are in the dino egg. Look at Daddy. Hi, Kuya and Daddy. They choose green na pala. They moved to green, di na blue. Ayan. Lian, say hi. Ayan, dito yung side pala fam na pambata.
Okay, then I want you.
There you go. Look, there's a boat too. Let's go, let's go.
Let's go! Walang pila.
Nako fam, uwian na pala. Close na pala
Hello,
talaga
fam.
ng 5.
Oo.
So naghahanap pa kami ng masasakyan. Ano na pala?
Dapat
Mostly
kanina pa
close na.
Pero parang nag-extend sila.
Yep.
Right
May
now,
ibang
close
rides
na
lang na
talaga.
in-extend pero close na talaga sila. And ayan, pauwi na kami. Fam, wala na talaga. Closing time na. Everyone is going to the exit na. Yep. So, no time to ride lahat ng mga pambatang ride dito. So, mahaba din kasi ang last. Babalik na lang tayo ulit next time para ma-explore pa. Ayan. Ayan. Ang dami pa namin hindi na nasakyan at napuntahan pa kasi hindi pa rin enough yung time. Dumating kami dito ata mga 1 na. So hanggang 5 lang sila. So syempre, ang mga pila din. Pag ang mga bata napapagod, nagpapahinga muna tayo. Pero ayan, we're going to the exit na. Uwian na talaga. Ayan. Sobrang nag-enjoy naman kami, fam. And for sure, ang mga kids din, bitin na bitin pa rin sila. Babalik tayo dito next. Ayan. So, see you later. Hold. Hold, hold, hold. Thank you. And home bound. Thank you, Callaway Park.
See you next year!
See you again next year.
Next year!
Here we go.
Hello fam! And nandito kami sa south ng Calgary, Walden to be specific. So bago natin daanan ang Odyssey kasi natapos na ni Jan. Thank you again Jan. Medyo nagutom kami. So dadaan muna tayo ng ating favorite na shawarma palace. Request talaga ni Kuya to. Pagkatanong namin ano ang gusto niyang pagkain, sabi niya shawarma daw. So we're going to eat here. And there you go fam. Simple lang. Ganda. Yan. And ang ganda ng serving dito pa. Sobrang laki. So, sulit na sulit siya. Okay, so naka-shades pa ako. Lagay ko lang. So, see you later. Kakain lang muna kami. Ayan, fam. Ang kanilang shawarma. They call it wraps. Chicken, beef, lamb, and then meron silang mga platters dito. Grabe. Sobrang daming food. Come on, sit down.
No.
And our favorite, yan o, sarap.
Ay, kuya.
After mag-theme park, diba? Shawarma galore. Okay. So, nandito kami sa Walden. And kung natatandaan nyo, dyan kami nagja-jam. So, mag-hi to Jason lang ako. So, papalaruin lang muna natin ang mga kids dito sa playground. Kasi dito din banda yung pagkukuhanan ko ng sasakyan. So, there you go. Laro-laro lang muna sina Kuya Davon. And in 10 minutes siguro, lakad na rin ako to get the van. Okay. Sige, konting bida sa playground. So ayan, we're at home at hindi ko na nga napakita si Jan. At syempre, hindi ako nakapagpaalam kasi sa kanya kung pwede ko siyang i-vlog. But nonetheless, nandito na ang ating Honda Odyssey, and ibang-iba yung takbo niya. Sobrang ganda ng takbo niya. Although, sabi nga ni Jan, meron pa ring tunog na nagtitik siya. Pero dahil na talaga sa luma yung engine niya. It's around 360,000 kilometers. As long as okay naman yung service and everything, why not? At ayan, ang dami nating napuntahan for today. So from Callaway Park to Jerusalem, Shawarma to Walden, and hanggang sa nakauwi tayo. So thanks ulit sa pagsama sa amin sa Alba Fam Bam Adventure lagi. And I hope to see you tomorrow again. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, fam. And yeah, see you on the next video. Hang loose, kababayan!